still, regardless, it's still really lovely low number, and 822 of you placed on it, and it is 18 red. It's a low number. Second dozen is the highest of the lowest, as you have said, as you have heard many times before. But right now, the best. Simple as that. Simple as that. And I see zero, very popular number within all of you, but hey, we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna have three lightning numbers of 1 red, 10, and 35 black with a 200 for two of them. Alrighty, and do I see a 100x multiplier? Yeah. 7 red, low number first dozen, that brings us a 100x multiplier. 481 lovely players who got the multiplier of 100x. Well deserved. My imaginary tinfoil hat comes down for you. Congratulations to you. Very impressive. Finally, the drought is over, the bets are closed, and let's get some more. I'm in the mood for some more. Are you though? Oh, I hope you are. 3 lightning numbers, 29, 31 black, and 34 red with a 1 for 100, 2 for 15. Okay, I wanted to see some back-to-back. Yes, I wanted to see some back-to-back. Alright, it's gonna be 11 black. Hey, a lightning number. Hey, that's a 50x. Now here comes Signa.
Hey,
my back.
ending with the boom. Hey, I love the spirit. Hey, we got a lightning. Hey, hello everybody. Hey, my name is Signa, and your host for the next session. Hey, let's head it out to the lightning side, right? So, have a great time on lightning dice. There, comrade. Bang time's over. Let's see what we got. We got 2 lightnings here, 4 and 28. Both of them 58. High odd number from wasn't section, everybody. 25 red from third doesn't appear to be that winning number. 687 is out there. Job well done. Ooh, fleek move. All right, have a great time. Okay, Fabi, you're the top winner, 12,600 euros goes to you. Cha-ching. Benedict is here, and hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. Moving on to the next round. I wish you all the best of luck, everybody. Battle time's over. We're having 3 lightning numbers here, 0, 17, and 36. One of them 100x. Orphan section. High even number. 20 black is here representing the round. Somebody was like, I can feel it. Boom, boom, boom. Lightning, we're feeling it. 150x on that. 14 red, everybody. Bada boom, bada bow, cha-ching. 509 lightning number winners, put your hands up. Yosef, you're the top winner. 6,318 euros goes to your top winner. Woo! Well done. Bada boom, bada bow. The lightning strikes. Yeah, that's how we do it. Yeah, that's how we do it. Betting time is over. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what the lightnings are here. 3 lightnings. 1, 10, and 24. One of them 300x. Wasn't section first, doesn't it is? 7 red. That is you appearing. Boom, boom, boom. 100x. Strikes on that. 7 red, everybody. Bada boom, bada bow. Cha-ching. Lightning strikes. 529 lightning number winners. Put your hands up. Fabiana, Ari, Lucky. Top 3 winners. Celebration it is to you. Job well done on winning that wonderful lightning multiplier. Moving on to the next round. I wish you all the best of luck, everybody. Yeah, Chris. Everybody celebrate if you're winning. Celebrate good times. Bang time's over. Let's see. 3 lightning numbers we're having for this round. 4, 17, and 34. Share the 100x. From the dozen. High odd number 33 black, ladies and gentlemen. 100x on that 28 black, everybody. The lightning strikes. Job well done. Bada boom, boom, boom. Lightning strikes. 513 lightning number winners. Put your hands up. Cricket, you're the top winner. 5,200 euros goes to you. Great job, well done. Daytime Vinegar is here, and I hope we're going to strike even bigger lightning multipliers ahead. So yeah, after betting time's closed, 1 till 5 numbers get struck by Lenny. And the multiplier can be from 50x up till 500x, and I really hope to see that 500x tonight. Betting time's over, 10:25 here, one of their 100x. Once again, we're having a high even number, 28 black from Washington section appearing. 909. 0 from Zitterspiel section. That's the number here appearing and winning this round. Nicely done to 848 winners out there. Compliments to you, Fabiano, Skippy, and Goonie. Top 3 winners out there. Great job, well done. Betting time, betting is all available for you. Take all the time, choose the number, and from last 5 spins, the winning numbers were 26, 24 black numbers, 25 and 7 red numbers, and 0. Those were from last 5 spins winning numbers. So moving on to the light side. Betting time's over. We have 30, 31, 33 struck by Lenny, 0 then 100x. High on number 35 black from Zitterspiel section.
From the lower end, but its multiplier will still take. Grab it, this time the back right pocket. 319 letting winners in Northlinder with 2,535 euros. Irelandia and Macaulay, well done as well. Final few seconds. Weiss says, want to play, you need me. No more bets. U94. Is that a player? Because now there's two people mentioning that same nickname. 3, 14, 22, 27, 30. Is this some sort of inside joke that I don't know? We got 35 black. You kids and your jokes. Was on to 0 spiel section. Back in my day, we used to hunt for witches. 631 till the winners. Yeah, that's how old Barrett's gonna sound. 2,506 euros. Danny with 16 out of 83 euros. My comments there. And only says, hello there. How are you doing? What can I help you with? No more bets. That's gonna be 2 lighting strikes. 10 and 32. 10 with 200x. 32 with 100x. 22 black. Is on the 0 section, 559 for the winners. H, 2,423. H with a lot of A's says you don't have another clothes in the house. Wait, that's a statement. Is that supposed to be a question? I don't have any other clothes in the house, huh? Did you just go through my apartment and you just checked every drawer? And did you steal all of my clothes? Is that what you're trying to say? We got 3 lighting numbers. 2, 12, and 28. 2 with 100x, 12 and 28 with 50x. Or at least every single time that you see me, right? That's where you gotta get a perspective. A few more seconds left. Bets are closed. This one, another snag to place in her pockets. Her pockets are getting a little bit fatter now. RT with 4,778 euros. Well done. Timmy and Sam well played as well. See if we can get some more. No more bets. Having a back-to-back multiplier, you don't see every day. That's going to be 2 strikes. We have a 3, also a 20. 20 here with 200x. And 0 green was on to 0 and 0 speed.
There we go, number 12, ladies and gentlemen, 50x, 306 lightning winners. Beautiful. Nice little 50x there to start it with. So let's see, maybe the next lightning we get is going to be something a little higher than just 50x. Still, better than 30x. So let's see how this continues. The bets are closed now. What do we got? 3 lightning numbers. We have 0, 6, and 9. Number 6, 200x. And that's 29. Not that close to 0. Righty. 29, big number. 672 of you got paid. Winners list on the left side of the screen. And, well, here we go again. The brand new round. Betting time's over. So, 3 lightning numbers, 1, 9, 30. Number 9 with a 100x. How about a little 34 action? There you have it. Nice little 34 coming in. One of the numbers that's, well, not all too famous. It's quite dim. By the way, on that board, the darker the number, the less money is on it. The brighter the number, the more money is placed on it by all of you. Anyway, here we go again. Time for the bets has been closed. 2 lightning numbers are up there, 13 to 22. Yeah, 22 and 13. So 50x each. Good luck. Number 5. Alright. So 5 it is. 5 it is. Brand new betting time if you want to go for it. Remember, straight bets only if you want to go for those lightning multipliers, lightning numbers once they hit. In this session so far, only 50x on that number 12 a few numbers ago. Bets closed. Let's see if we can do a little better than that. And there's 5, 31, 32. These 2 numbers with 100 and 5 with a 50. Alright, number 6. So previous number 5, now we get the 6. Is the next one going to be 7? Who knows? Let's find out. 495 winners on that number 6. Let's see how well y'all will be doing in the next round. Alright. So the bets are closed. Thank you. Lightning, what you got? 3 numbers, 15, 25, and 27. 27, 200x. Good luck. I see. Number 16. Anybody order number 16? Number 16 is coming right up. It's the coldest number though. So if you were following those cold numbers, you got the coldest one. At least the coldest number in the last 500 rounds. Let's see, here we go again. So the bets are closed, thank you very much. We got 4 numbers and look at that. Number 16, 500x jackpot. Can we hit that 16 back to back? Maybe next time. For now, number 3. So 557 total of total winners, I guess. Right on this number 3. 1000 Spiel. Old and low. All that good stuff. Alright, let's go for another round. So the betting time has been closed. We got ourselves 3 lightning numbers. 2, 27, 34, 1, 100x each. Oh, we got a hot number. Hot number, 0 green. 1000 Spiel. So that's that. Alright, 622 winners though. So that's quite a lot. Right, because on some other numbers we had like what, 400, 500, now 622 of you got paid. Some fans of that 0, some fans of that 0. We'll see. The betting time is over. We got 3 new numbers, 17, 18, 34, 34 with 158. The highest multi of the 3. Yeah, Paul Black, even low, on the section. JH, the top winner, followed by Caesar, Far, Theo, and Gil. That's the top 5 winners, but congratulations, of course, to all 476 of you. And the brand new betting time. Straight up bets only. If you want to go for the lightning, of course, you can place your money on whatever you want to. Right, the splits, streets, corners, all that stuff. But only the straight ups get paid the lightning multiplier. If we hit one of the lightning numbers, bets are closed. 4, 22, 29 are the 3 lightnings for the round. I see a 25 red. Buttons at a section order high. That's the winning number. And yeah, 517 of you got paid. On the left of the screen, you can see the winners list. If you wanna take a look, right there. Here we go once more. Betting time is over. Two lightning numbers, this round 18 and 30. Number 18 with 100x, 50x on 30.